Our next topic is about composition of functions. So, when a car driver depresses the accelerator pedal, it controls the flow of fuel, which in turn influences the speed of the car. Likewise, the composition of two functions is a kind of chain reaction where functions act upon one after the other. We can explain this further with the concept that the function is a process. If f and g are two functions, then the composition g into f of x is formed in two steps. Let me drop a input x in the machine called f. So I'll get the output as f of x. Now when I take this as input and I put it in the machine called g, then I'll get the output as g into f of x. And we can call it as g f of x. So this is an example for the composition of functions. Consider the set A, that is, let me call this as set A and this as set B and this as set C. Set A of all students who appeared in class 10 of board examination. Each student appearing in the board exam is assigned a roll number. In order to have confidentially, the board arranges to deface the roll number of each student and assigns a code number to each of roll number. Let A be the set of all students appearing for the board exam, and B is a subset of natural numbers, B the set of all roll numbers, and C is a subset of natural numbers, B the set of all code numbers. This gives rise to two functions, f is A to B and g is B to C. Is given by B equal to f of A by the roll number assigned to a student A, that is C equal to g of B, be the code number assigned to roll number B, where small a belongs to capital A. Thus, that is, this is small a, small b and small c. Small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B and small c belongs to capital C. These are the students. We can write it C equal to g of B, that is equal to g f of A. So we already know that f of A equal to B. So now we are just changing B value as f of A. This is the code number of the students. So the definition of composition of functions. Let f A to B and g B to C be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g dash f is defined as the function g dash f of x equal to g f of x for all x belongs to A. So let me go to the 20th example. So find f dash g and g dash f when f of x is given 2x plus 1 and g of x is given x square minus 2. So in our solution, it is already given that f of x is 2x plus 1 and g of x is x square minus 2. Now I am finding f dash g of x, that is equal to f g of x, that is equal to, I am just substituting the x value as g of x value, that is x square minus 2. That is, f of x value is 2x minus plus 1. So I am just substituting x square minus 2 in the place of x. I will get 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2x square minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2x square minus 3. So next is g dash f of x, that is equal to g f of x, that is equal to, I am just substituting the x value as f of x value, that is f of x is given 2x plus 1. I am just substituting it in the place of x square, that is 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2, that is equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 2, that is equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1. I have just did a plus b the whole square formula, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I've just done this here. So let me take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So thus f dash g equal to 2x square minus 3, that is we have found here, and g dash f equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1. Now only we have found it, and we know that from equation 1 and 2 f dash g is not equal to g dash f. Our next example is number 21. We have to represent the function f of x equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 as a composition of two functions. So you already know that composition is nothing but the combination of two functions. So when we are going to separate the composition, we'll get two functions, that is f of x and g of x. I am taking here f2 as f and f1 as g, that is f2x, that is f of x equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3, and I am taking g of x as nothing but root x. So now we are only taking g of x, so I will take here root is there, so I am taking a root, then for x I am putting x inside. So g of x, that is f1x equal to root x. So that is already we have given f of x equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now we wrote here that f of x equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. But here we don't have root. So when I convert this whole number into root, then I should also convert this whole number as root. So that is equal to root of f2x. Now I am just combining the both functions, that is f1 I already told it as g, then f2 already told it as f, and that is x equal to g of f of x. We already saw this in the example. I have just converted g as f of 1 and f as f of 2, that is only. So this is our final answer, that is we have converted it as two functions. So our next example is number 22. If f of x equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to 2x plus k, and if f dash g equal to g dash f, then we have to find the value of k. So our f of x is given as 3x minus 2 and g of x is given as 2x plus k. So that is f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to, now I am just substituting the g of x value here, f of 2x plus k, that is equal to nothing but, already in the previous question I showed this. I am just substituting this 2x plus k value in the x value, that is 3 into, in the place of x I am putting 2x plus k, and this minus 2 will be the same. Now I will multiply inside, 3 into 2x, that is 6x, 3 into k, that is equal to plus 3k, and minus 2 will be the same. Thus f dash g of x equal to 6x plus 3k minus 2. So this is my equation number 1. So I am finding g dash f of x, that is equal to, I am just substituting the f of x value, that is it is given 3x minus 2, and I will put this value in g of x, that is 2x plus k, that is 2 into, for x I am putting 3x minus 2, that is 3x minus 2 plus k. So g dash f of x equal to, I am multiplying it inside, so 6x minus 4 plus k. So this should be my second equation. In the question already it is given that f dash g equal to g dash f, that is we should equalize these two equations, that is 6x plus 3k minus 2, that is the equation number 1, equal to 6x minus 4 plus k, that is equation number 2. So I will cancel 6x and 6x here, then 3k, and I will bring the k this side, and this will become minus k, that is equal to minus 4 will be here, and this 2 will go that side, it will become plus 2, and 3k minus k is 2k, and minus 4 plus 2 equal to minus 2, k equal to minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, k equal to minus 1.